Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this double stamp Valentine's Day nail design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and the white polish I'm using is Snowy White by Sinful Colors. And then I'm going to apply liquid latex around my nails, and this is just for easier cleanup. I don't want to be cleaning up all day, so I just add my liquid latex around my nails. Then using my Pueen nail plate, is a really pretty nail plate. It has a bunch of flower designs on it, and I wanted to use this rose design. It's so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add pink polish on top. Now this is regular nail polish. I'm not using nail stamping polish this time. And as you can see, it kind of dried faster. So you see the little stragglers on the bottom. So I'm just pulling them off with my tweezers. And then using my red nail polish, I'm going to apply on the same design, the red, and I'm going to use this stamp design also. Now, the red didn't come out as red. It was more of a hot pink look to it, but I did love the look of it. Now, I didn't put the colors on top of each other, like in the same direction. I did them like kind of upside down just to give it a nice look to it. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. It's really easy. This is a really easy design to do with any nail stamp if you want to do a fun nail stamp look. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.